outside. The future never looks so bright. Can't you hear it calling us? Let go. Leave all of your cares behind. You never know where you might find sunny days are coming up. Dreaming of tomorrow, soaking up the sun. We can sit and talk about it, or we could run away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stefan and I travel with my self-built camper van Ganapati, and today we are in a national forest. It's a little bit chilly outside, but that's okay because I have a diesel heater just installed and I'm gonna try that out. I'm pretty stoked. The weather should be okay. It's not gonna snow. It might be a little bit windy. You might pick it up on camera a little bit. But other than that, it should be good. So I'm really excited and I'm excited to bring you with me. So come along for the ride. It's time to get some food going. It's 11:30 right now and I'm gonna be making vegan hot dogs. I'm gonna get cooking.
Good morning now, little singing bird. It's been a while since your song's been heard. I've got your coffee and your breakfast made. I miss you so, I sure hope you can stay. Hey, hey. I wanna hear about the places you've been and the people you've met. Won't you tell me again how you lost your way when you found the wind, babe? I don't know what to say. I miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone, gone, gone. Out there singing that traveling song. Oh, spreading your wings just in time for spring. I know it won't last long. I miss you when you're gone. me about the time back in Kathmandu when they stole your purse, had to sell your shoes. Then you met a monk who had nothing left to lose. He was born in Mississippi at the bottom of the blues. For that time that you set out, slay the dragon in the woods. Turns out he's not so bad, just a little misunderstood. On the curve of the earth, in the haze of the good wine. Tell me, little bird, was I ever on your mind? 'Cause I miss you when you're gone, 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 out there singing that traveling song. Oh, spread your wings just in time for spring. I know it won't last long. I miss you when you're gone. I hate it when you go, but you know I never say so. Out there in the sky, am I ever on your mind, love? 'Cause I miss you when you're gone, gone, gone. Gone, gone, gone. Oh, spreading your wings just in time for spring.
I went for a little bit of a walk this morning, and indeed I did come across the fire restrictions here. Turns out I'm only allowed to use the propane stove, so no campfires. Ganapati is just chilling over there, waiting for me to go cook some stuff. Yeah. Alright, so for today's menu for lunch is avocado toast. I have these avocados that needed to be eaten 3 days ago, so hopefully they're still pretty good. They were in the fridge. And I have a few secret ingredients that I'm going to be using and just doing my own version of it. I know I've talked about avocado toast for a very long time, but I haven't really actually filmed it. So today's the day. Stay tuned. Let that food montage begin.
Easier to stay here, safe and not familiar. Sometimes it's hard to go. I feel a little nervous.
Alright, so now for the secret ingredients. I'm not one to put salt in my food, but this has been a life changer. It is called Vegeta, and I think it's from, yes, it's from Croatia. You can find these in Middle Eastern stores or even European stores. And basically it has salt in there, but it also has dried vegetables. So it's really brings out the flavor a lot. I've been putting it in most of my food. I don't put a lot, but it does enhance the flavor very well. And my other secret ingredient, you can't really see because I've had it for a while, but it's extra virgin olive oil infused with basil. And man, is that good. Put a little bit of that sucker in there, and it's gonna be tasty. It's gonna be one big meal because it's two avocados, but I wanted to use them because they were really soft, so I was afraid they were actually starting to get dark, but they actually didn't, so that's a good thing. So I got the avocado ready, and now it's time to toast the bread. I'm using a sourdough bread that I got from Aldi, and I also made myself this batch of quinoa with chickpeas. I think this time around I actually don't have chickpeas. I have black beans, mushrooms, and other cool things and spices and stuff like that, plus the Vegeta. And I'm gonna put that on top. I'm gonna heat that up and put that on top of the avocado, and then put the sunny side up egg on top, and it should be a pretty hefty avocado toast, if I'm being honest. But let's get to it. Let's get cooking the other stuff. This is the quinoa with the black beans and the mushrooms.
Into the wild, into the wild.
Right, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this. Got a little bit of spicy sauce. You can check out some more van life related content right up here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of the videos that I put out. And I will see you in the next one.